Hot Pots is a great paint-your-own pottery studio. We are located in the historic downtown Sanford district, and it's a place where people can come to relax and create personal pieces that are really special and unique to them. We have hundreds of items in the store, and they range from children's banks and boxes and really clever little characters that are really popular with the kids, to wonderful household items such as wine coolers or beautiful vases. So people really have a wide selection of things that they can choose from and make it very special and unique to them individually. The growth of Paint Your Own Pottery places has been pretty phenomenal in the last 10 years. They started back in the early 1990s, and you can find a Paint Your Own Pottery studio pretty much all over the country these days. There is an association, a professional association of which we are members. It's called CCSA. The way Paint Your Own Pottery works is that a person can come in and pick out a piece of bisque pottery that they like. And of course it's all white, it's low fire earthenware. And they can sit down and relax and unwind and enjoy themselves and paint their item. Then they leave it with us and we glaze it in fire. On Wednesdays when we do pizza night, people can be creative here and have their dinner and then go around the corner and participate in the Sanford Idol contest. We have the Riverwalk 2 blocks away. We have wonderful creative studios, artist studios next door to us.